After I found out this advice, my house never had bugs again. For today's tip, we will need garlic peel. We will separate all cloves from one garlic, and then we will remove the peels from all cloves. They are fully responsible for assisting in the aroma of your home. After that, we will insert 200 milliliters of water into the pan, and we will stir the ingredients to add nutrients. Well, the smell that exudes through your home will be very pleasant and is what will keep the insects away. After the water arrives at this coloring, we will transfer a hint to a bowl and we'll use a sieve to separate the debris from the liquid. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of alcohol. I'm sure that after using this tip, we'll no longer be bothered by insects in your home. I'm sure your whole family will thank you. And we mix the ingredients. After that, we will add 3 tablespoons of detergent. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Cindy Bon Hank from Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. And again, we mix the ingredients very well. Now we will need a container to be able to use the hint in all its power. I will use a spray bottle to dispense the exact amount needed. Let's transfer the hint mixture into the container, very carefully so as not to spill anything. After that, we will cover the container again to be able to use the tip. After that, the tip is ready to use. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. Now I will show you how to use the hint. Let's apply some of it over the desired surface. After that, we will use a cloth to spread and dry the surface. Garlic peels are the main item for this tip. The indicated is to use this mixture directly in the places that have problem with the mosquitoes. Serves perfectly also against ants and even cockroaches. The ideal is to use this mixture in places that we most have problems with insects. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home and comment if you know any tips so I can do and teach others. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.